Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the password in Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the app. Now once you're in the app, click on the profile icon at the bottom. From here, click on your account option. Now, in this page, click on login and security. Now here in login and security, click on edit password by clicking on the edit button beside the password. Now here, enter your current password, and after that, enter your new password. Once you enter your desired new password, click on Save Changes. And that's it. That's how you change your password in Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.